Good morning. Mary, you had your abdominoplasty and repair of your abdominal muscle and your hernia 2 weeks ago.
Right.
Tell me about your recovery and what you think about abdominoplasty and repair of the abdominal muscle.
My back pain has immediately gone away. I was waking up for the last 3 years almost crippled for an hour or two. I couldn't bend over to wash my face. It took a while for everything to warm up before my back muscles will be fine. And now my back muscles are absolutely fine.
How many pregnancies did you have?
4.
And you had this back muscle, and by tightening and repairing your abdominal muscle, you feel much better, yes?
Absolutely.
So you recommend the procedure to other people?
Absolutely. I think that other doctors should recommend it for back pain. I was going to physical therapy for 6 months. I went to orthopedist. I went to a spine doctor, my regular doctor, my OBGYN, and none of those doctors ever told me that I had a muscle separation of 3 inches and a hernia sticking out.
And now you feel good?
Yes. Well, I had the orthopedist, I had a spine surgeon look at me, and then I was sent to physical therapy. And I was also going to a personal trainer to try and strengthen my core. And I really believe 2 things. One, it should be part of a OBGYN exam to tell you that you have this muscle separation. And if he notices it, he should say, do you have back pain? And then the second thing is, the amount of money I've spent on it, if this was noticed sooner, the insurance companies would have saved a lot of money, and also the doctors I spent.
How much money did you spend?
I don't know how much is spent, but thousands.
For the few years?
It had to be thousands of insurance money to go.
And also a lot of time you went back and forth to all this.
Right. My time is valuable as well. But I do think that the first step is that a patient should be informed that this is what's going on. And second of all, to stop back pain, it should be covered under insurance.
Thank you very much.